Good morning, good morning, good morning. Me now come talk long with you, know. Me not want to do too much yapping today. But today is my husband's birthday, so before we go any further, just drop in the comment section and say happy birthday, Jason, Razor, whatever you want to call him. By now, and to say, I woke up, made breakfast. I mean, I do that almost every morning, but this morning, I did it with a little more love. But made breakfast, wanted to start out the day the right way. And I hear me sound like me out of breath because my ride soon come. I don't know me can't have Jesse carry me. Oh, I'm not telling you what me I gonna do. Lord have mercy. So I'm going on the road to collect Jason's birthday gift. When it comes on to birthday, Jesse is not a fussy person. The amount of things I suggest to him, me hear one car outside. Hold on. You know, reach it. Anyways, Jason's friend I gonna carry me go sort out all of them stuff here. But yeah. Oh, remember what me say now. Him not fussy birthday. The amount of stuff hold on. I already have list done, you know. So me don't know why me come here and chew bubble gum on top of that. But the amount of stuff what me suggest to him and him say, oh no babe, me don't know yet. Alright, let me think about it. Oh, that not sound bad. And him not get back to me about nothing. So me not have no plans other than I woke up, made him a nice breakfast, and me go get him gift. That's it. If him say we'll go on the road, fine. I'll put something together and we'll go on the road. It's like me watch him grow up. I'm so proud of him. You know, him just change off. Him just different. And we really appreciate the change. It's a good change. But me always try my best to step in and put a smile on his face. So that's what I'm going to do today. Him not have a clue about the gift. Him feel like that is it. Like breakfast and mega cook something nice for dinner. Or if we go up on the road. But me watch him, me observe and me say, alright, make me see the things them we need. You guys will see. Me don't want to talk about it in the house. Because just the week one I keep not here and in my ear. The only thing me play around with him this morning and me kinda figure said the amount what me did I go buy, him no need the amount there. And a lucky thing me did I ask him questions. Me just ask that random question I try to feel him out to see if what me I go buy is necessary because me can't really look on a thing and tell if it's needed. You understand? So I'm gonna go on the road, guys. Me just a chat. We are going to tire warehouse. So me can finally tell you what me gonna do now. Me gonna get Jason some tire for him car. Comment and let me know if that's a good gift idea. Me just now want to get him nothing where I go just collect dust. Well, tire collect dust. But just have it in the house. Nah, do nothing. And we are growing people now and certain things we not really prioritize no more, and we have, you know, other financial obligations, and we just be mindful how we spend money these days. So we just pay attention to, you know, what each other need. Now me did go buy 4, and last night when we were on our way home, me did a pick him to see one him need in his life, because I know Jason really celebrate him, not get excited about them things there. I may always you know, just try to make him day special, any little celebration special for him. So him did I say, oh, you know, me did change the 2 front tire already, just the 2 back one for change now. So me I say, alright, I guess him only need 2 tire, but me know him have other stuff to do, because them time here license for renew. I don't know how the whole car thing go, license for renew, insurance to pay and whatever. So me I say me can still get the 2 tire and then put a little change, you know, in our envelope, because me want to be intentional about the gift for me I give him. Me want it can put towards what him have on his mind for sort out, because just as a man like this thing, we just one down upon and say, alright, what me for do first, what more important, whatever the case is. So me want to take that little burden the off him a little bit, because me don't normally deal with nothing with the car, guys. Jason does everything pertaining to that. So I just want, you know, ease him up a little bit and shoulder that for his birthday. I could bring him out we go spend night at one hotel, whatever. But me no want to do that because those stuff now gonna benefit we. And as we say, we are grown people, we have bills, we have like adult bills. Yes, so we really want to waste no money upon them something there. So I'm gonna get him the 2 tire and then I'm just a girl. So Travis did tell myself to make sure me take the number them with up on the tire. And me just video tire them. If I get the brand tire, but me need a number for know which size though. The matcha is zoom, I figure it out. Feel away. But I think me can get it. Me can send somebody go look for me. But I may tell her, so if you want to get your partner tire, you see Travis? If you want to get your partner tire, get the number. Get the number, guys. The number, you're going to need it. No. But I'm going to try to figure it out. She see it? Anyways, we reach a tire warehouse, but let me see if I can get some help. Somebody will go video just a tire for me.
55.
And him say I go up on the road. You get it? And him, oh, them zoom it and see it. And him say I go up on the road, you know. So, I don't even know if I'm going to do that for you. Let me see it. You screenshot it?
No, I'm just work.
Let me screenshot it before it shift. So which way I see number?
205.
I see 205 55 R16.
Yeah.
That's all I need?
Yeah.
Period. We got it, guys. Alright, we're going. Guys, I feel extra busy if you man up and vlog in a car. Travis quit YouTube, bruh.
Left to them.
Anyways, we I buy the tire, so I only gotta get 2. Remember, I'm telling you the look of situation. But me I look for rims. Me I say, I forgot buy babe some rims. Is it your birthday? Next week, how much? It's Hannah? Birthday twin! That's my birthday for true. Serious something. My husband's birthday today and mine on a Monday. Yes! Oh, yes, before my birthday twin. Anyways, if your girlfriend buy a tire for your birthday, you would appreciate that?
Yes.
So I guess I'm going to appreciate it then. Anyways, hi.
What's up?
How are you?
Yeah,
Okay, great.
General.
Him the one. Big up Travis in the comment section. That's it. Well,
Receipt.
thank you. What? Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Until everything. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. So tire them secured, guys.
205, 55, 60.
Okay. Guys, I'm back home. So Travis just come put in a tire them for me. Just gone on the road, thank God. So me go hurry up cause me don't know what Jason gonna do. So me don't want him to come see me and do a bag of things. I got a cake. Me never get a customized cake cause me never did buy a cake. The cake was, hold on. Alright, let me talk to you now. The cake is a little last minute thing. So I just make them write hashtag 32 on it. Me get one gas voucher. So Jessica can get some gas. Get envelope, card, chocolate, and what do we see? We're gonna fix it up. We're gonna fix it up. So let's go. So I got a card. Mega writing it. I wrote something in my phone from yesterday. You know? Something I want him to read. I not even send him as text. I want to write it in the card because we normally save cards. So I can always read it. The envelope I got chocolate. I probably should have bought chocolate in like these. I probably should have bought though because chocolate cake. I don't think I'm gonna eat another chocolate cake because I don't like chocolate. I don't know if you know that. Gift bag, the bow. I put it on the tire them there. So I think my record a clip there already when I show enough say them there. So and guest voucher. Which it did look a little bit more fancy, you know, just for them things there, but it's okay. It's for duty, not for beauty. Alright, so comment. Oh, and the cake. Let me show you. This never planned. This is just one cake from Mega Mart. But Mega Mart cake tastes nice, so I'm not worry about it. Just a little cake because, you know, no one do too much. I'm just make them right. Hashtag 32 and because I know Jason turned 32. But not bother with the happy birthday. Well, if I writing, no. Because the cake not big either. You probably could even hold a happy birthday. Anyways, let's just get into it. So I'm going to write and pack up the bag. And that's it. I feel good so I get the tire. I'm not telling a lie. One thing though, it smells like rubber in here. 2. Alright guys, just finished. I'll put it close because I'm not wanting this one, alright? Anyways, so ooh, I want to make it press one. This the chocolate and the gas voucher. And then instructions are on the card. Along with what I want, right? Let me tell them. It never take me no time because, as I tell them, I right here already. How this make, you know, so I don't remember. I want to do laugh after my snake plant because it did a struggle, so I have to trim it down and now it push up back. Oh, this make. Oh my god. Wait, it's supposed to have some string. Wait there. I think the only thing I do is just pull the string. Wait. Guys, I don't know how to make it for true. Wait. Oh, wait. Before I panic it and do. No! Guys, my mash up here. Oh my god. My mash up is so... Oh! Leave it up to me if I buy one. Normally, I don't buy one of them something here, you know, because I know that things like this can happen. What if I can't make it myself? Okay, beautiful people. So this is my little setup. Have the camera over there so when Jason reach home, I can get his reaction. But this is it, the cake. And the little goodies in the bag. That's it. That's it, guys. So let us wait until he's home. Just to reach home. Let me use my phone because I don't want to miss nothing.
Reach back, babe.
Surprise!
Baby, my tire?
Yes.
What the hell, babe? But you don't know my tire size?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Babe, oh, you know my tire size, babe?
Don't worry about it.
So what ain't wrong?
Babe, why don't worry?
Yo.
Oh. Wait.
Yo. Babe, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yo, I could have...
Turn on the light because in here dark and I know you're all about lighting.
This is your vlog. I could have never expect this, boo.
Look, we see back of your shirt. It's dope. Come closer. Come in and let them see. Yeah. You look nice.
Wait, you don't know my tire size?
Don't worry about it, man. You think I'm a fool? Oh.
So tell us anyway. 205, 55.
You think me a fool, babe? And that's what I worry about.
Yo, babe, thank you so... You know, come kiss me up. I appreciate you, babe. I appreciate it wholly because I love gifts are more practical. Something I'm going to use instead of put up on shelf. I thought that I might.
I was telling them, I wish I did so the entire video have the light in here.
But that's fine.
But that's so
You
good,
don't
guys.
too tired?
Yeah, and I was going to buy 4. But you remember last night me I pick you. Yeah.
I think you say something to talk to you about things.
Yeah, but me did a listen. So him did I tell me and me I say, alright. And then me hear him say, oh, me did change the 2 front time. I say, okay, good. So me did I take notes.
What?
And then me realize the 2 front tire had a brand here and then the back tire them are a different brand. And I always hear you say that brand here good. So
Okay,
me
so
say
you buy
like,
half a front tire them?
yes. See your tire number here. 205 55 R16.
Sure.
Be about freight. And
me know my tire.
may have your receipt. You can go put on. Them can put it on for you.
205, 55, 16.
Yeah. Travis help me. You zoom in.
Oh, Travis, so what Travis said?
In going home.
All
And
right.
just let them off and go home. Hashtag
32.
32. And check your bag. Babe, see, tire them and stop.
Yeah, I like them chocolate. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You right note or one of the...
Go to the back. This, I want you to do off camera because some instructions in it.
Okay.
Yes. So put it back.
Okay.
But there's another thing.
What is? Total energies.
Yeah, just go get some gas.
Well, me can't get... Yo, okay. Hey, me tell you. I know my birthday, but me tell you, I didn't know so me start talking, so me make the right choice. Somebody will care for me like I'm care for people.
I'm gonna cry.
You're too nice, boy. Thank you so much, baby. I appreciate it, you know. Oh, man. You're sweaty.
Yeah.
You know, me there wonder where the friend day, but you me I watch football and me I say, yo, me know my babe no call me, you know. And me I watch football, so if you don't link me back right now, me good.
So you need to put your tire them in a washroom.
Oh yeah, me forgot to change them. No?
No, do your work on your car first. Because me did I say, why me not just tell you and then make it we go together and put on your tire? But me I say, yeah, I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my queen.
Are your birthday?
Oh.
You just do me that.
Oh no,
You
no.
just-
And that's why I do it for a catch
So
for like.
you know when the guy supermarket and the person said, the receipt in the bag here, you too.
No, and that's all. No,
Yes.
No. Somebody will say, Some no on the second.
Me I talk about who I catch me
And that's a
already.
receipt in the bottom.
Thanks for shopping.
And yeah, that's a thank you, Sasha. You that's a thank you too.
I same thing.
No, me
Me
receipt.
see there time a receipt in my bag and me say you too. You
You
too.
too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I really want to lay down and rest. I want to make a beg you do, baby. I see them tired they take the water me wake up. Me can't take your rubber set.
Okay, I want you to play football a little bit first.
Yeah.
I grab my team and go lose.
Wait, I want to up there.
Money on this stuff.
Alright. Me not even post it from morning.
Oh wait, but they're on camera. That's me back.
Okay, beautiful people. I'm going to end off for now and then sooner or later.
Nice.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. Guys, today is my 28th birthday. And I'm so excited. Ask more me I go nowhere. Me I go stay in at my house. Me just done listen to some praise and worship. Just went on the road. I'm showing them my birthday gift. When surprised me with a vanity tray. A vanity. It's a vanity tray. A vanity. It's really cute. But when I done talk to you now, I'm showing it fully. But yeah, today is my 28th birthday. I'm super excited. You know, I'm just get up, fix my hair. Never know how much because this is the hairstyle that I wore to church. So I'm just pull out them two little pieces here and you know, try to look cute. Have on pink and white. This cute little top. No, guys, I'm not gonna wear. I just want to take one picture. So I put myself together so when Jason come home, I can take one picture for posting my birthday. And I just go with the pink top, pink and white top because my nails pink. And that's it. Ah! I don't know, I'm in a little modest era, so had to keep it cute, classy, because you guys know I'm on my walk with Christ. My first birthday, truly walking with Christ. My first birthday as a wife. So you know, I'm just there and just give God thanks. I don't know me, I'm not fussy. I'm a very simple person, very, very simple. Me not do too much. Me just, you know, I just love the simpler things them in my life. So I'm just there. I wave hand Joseph to come home. Me pause the music right there. Cause me I listen to what me reach, let me see. Me I listen to CC, Jesus, come Jesus come. So that's it guys. But wish me happy birthday in the comment section. Me gonna add this part of the vlog to Jason's birthday vlog because me not do nothing. Today is Monday guys. Today Monday. Nothing did I for really do. So me say probably me just wait on the weekend. Well, not ever probably, but the weekend we'll, you know, go to a nice restaurant and eat and whatever or do something. But for today Monday, it look lame. I'm just grateful. Me I give God thanks. Now I kill up myself guys. So thank you in advance for the birthday wishes. Really appreciate it. I'm excited. But yeah, that's it guys. That's it. That's it. Oh, I'm showing you the vanity good. So this is it. I'm gonna move the ring light. So it comes with LED. So you can just put it on the setting. But this is it. I did in the bathroom my bed and Jason just said, baby, you can come out, come look. When we see it on his channel, my reaction. But it's really cute. I just put it beside my workstation. I'm grateful for it because when I know me I do the wig videos. So I can, you know, do my little thing around this table now and just have that table solely feel like working. I could talk. I'm resting down and we talk. While I wait on Jason. Wait, let me turn off my light room. So I could talk because I feel like I did a talk way too fast a while ago. But I'm super grateful. No amount of word can sum up how I feel right now. You know, so many happened. I'm not dwell upon that because all of those stuff that happened, you know, it shaped me. It really molded me into the person I am today. And me don't want to complain. Me don't want to complain because, you know, things could have been better, but I'm grateful of the life that I'm living now. Me feel pleased about it. Me feel pleased to tell somebody, say, you know, so me is a Christian and me don't represent them things anymore. I'm walking with Christ. You know, me's a married woman now, you know. Not only for tell people, but I want to look as such. So I want when you see me feel look like me is a Christian woman. I'm walking with Christ. You know, if you look at me and I try to figure out if me a whirlian or me a walk with Christ. No. Few little things me did I work on. And you know, perfect yet, but I'm getting there. My mother called me. My mother just remember my birthday. But I'm not mad at her because she have a whole heap of things on her mind. But here are. Yeah? Yes, mommy?
Okay.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I'm going to call up on WhatsApp.
Alright. Yeah. So when you see that little 28 glow there, may I see it. 25th, 25th, 20 great. Okay. But what me did I say? Come on, talk to you. No keep me company until Jason come back because me don't know what I'm up to. The door open, Jason reach home. Am I going to get another surprise?
You find this one fast, man.
Yes, I put it in a rightful place.
Okay. Oh, cinematic, babe.
Shy. Why me go let me and this man now talk for almost 9 years? Me hear him and get shy.
Oh, it looks so beautiful. Hey, oh my God, this is my queen. But guess what?
Me shy.
That's some stuff for you.
Thank you. Soon come back, guys. Guys, so I just get some more surprise. But I'm not gonna show now. I'm gonna make you go over Jason's vlog. But what I can say, he got flowers for the first time. And I really appreciate it. Thank you, baby. Really, you really do a good job. You did an amazing job. So when I go over Jason's vlog, I see all of the rest of stuff them. But you know what? I'm gonna go and go watch it, man. Go and go watch it. Thank you.
Welcome.
Turn off this. This was just buy me light up a face like that. I'm so grateful. You know? I deserve it, you know, guys. I think I really deserve it. I've been through so much. I don't know this even understand. God is good. Oh, God is truly a good God. I'm just glad say my focus just change. And for telling the truth, if I don't want to hear about God enough, I could just come off of that channel here because God good to me. Him save me. I'm gonna kickstart my birthday the best way in church. Yesterday in church was so amazing. Novella called me.
How are you enjoying your day?
I'm enjoying it, thanks. Guys, Lovell washed up plate for me last night. She helped me out before my birthday. Me go enough and go around there and talk to him and just hug him up and kiss him up and tell him thanks again because I'm really grateful. Bye guys. Good morning, beautiful people. So it's 2 days after my birthday. Today is the 12th of February. Birthday pass and gone. The whole birthday festivities done and over with, and we're back to regular program. So we just leave the mechanic and the AC finally fixed, and we feel good about that. So right now we're gonna get some other stuff done, but we did keep on a fear put off because the AC never did a work, and it don't make no sense we drive up and down in the hot car. Cause me I tell you, I never know the AC was such luxury. So we're grateful for that. But also I am here to say thank you guys so much for all the birthday wishes. I really and truly appreciate them. I know Jason we talk to him differently on his channel, but I appreciate every single comment, DM. People make all videos and come give me, and I felt so loved and appreciated. You know, so big up on yourself for that. I am going to end off this vlog and start another vlog, but me just could end off and tell you no thank you in this video. So go over to Jason's vlog to see him whole preparation and whatever, and see how him come by these gifts and whatever the case is. I'm just not showing you because when I go over there go see what him do. Wanna see what me do for him birthday. So comment in the comment section also and let me know if what I did is, you know, or was a good idea. Him really appreciate it. So I guess that's all that matters. But tell me if you will be, you know, doing that for your partner. My man alone driving now, so men take notes. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Hopefully next time I can buy baby him dream car, but for now this is the closest I can get. Hopefully another time. But yeah,